Hey there, and welcome to AussieMotoVlogs. My name's Brendan, and today I'm coming at you from the office. The audio at the beginning of the ride, for some reason, it didn't record properly. So today you're joining me as I am racing against the clock to get to the shops before they close. Starting off in this section of the ride, I'm actually riding around on a flat tyre. I noticed right before heading out that the bike's handlebars felt really sluggish and hard to move, making me want to investigate it a little further. I came across a nail that had actually punctured the tyre at some point. Because of how pressed I was for time, I forgot to record how to do quick repairs like that, so you can expect a video later on that will go into detail on how to repair punctures. However, today we are heading over to a place called the Gamesman. I was unhappy with how the whole trip breakdown video was recorded, and my main issue with that was my lack of proper lighting, which in this video I was aiming to correct, as I'll be purchasing the Elgato Key Light Mini for the office to go along with a green screen that I've very recently purchased as well. So hopefully it will improve some more off-the-bike videos when inevitably they were recorded. But for now, I'm going to cut over to the live me, since the audio corrected itself after I'd already visited the shops. So after the Gamesman, we ended up going to a newsagent because I needed to pick up some smokes for my father. So, I will let live me take over from now. Hope you enjoy the video. Damn it, Domino's, man. Damn it, Domino's, man. What a fluster clock. My mirror feels really loose now, what the fuck? Wait for this guy, I think. Do I have my phone? I do, it's in my pocket. I'm just gonna go and hope for the fucking best. Alright, let's go down this way. Double back. And come up the other street. Did I put my strap on? I did. My chin strap, that is, because here in Australia, if you don't have your chin strap on, it's actually considered illegal. And yeah, a copper can actually book you for it. You need to have your chin strap, well, strapped. Alright, let's come back up here now. Come on, mate, hurry up. I'm so happy that the key light fits in my bag. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm very, very happy that the key light fits in my bag perfectly. Because my dumb ass yesterday was like, oh, I'm just gonna go buy a green screen, they're not that big, I can fit it in my bag. Little did I know, the thing's bigger than my bed. I can take a breath once I get my final pit stop, which is a newsagent. I've been asked to pick up some cigarettes. So let's go pick up some cigarettes. Thank you, Servo, for being here. You saved my life. Now, I pray to God that the newsagent's open. Otherwise, oh, you know what? It's not even my problem. Cigarettes aren't even for me. And this is why you come shopping on a bike. You have limited space, yes, but you can easily get into parking spots. Thank God they're still open. Alright, be right back. Oh, good lord, man. Now, my bike almost didn't start there. I think it's completely overheated. But because I'm pretty sure that the video quality is going down because there's basically no light, I want to thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And I will be seeing you shortly for another video. Hopefully, assuming nothing goes wrong. Because, yeah, that was a massive jinx, and I'm sorry if I don't upload for a little bit. So I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care for now, and bye-bye.